Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this replacement. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx T15 screwdriver. Make sure to have a clean workspace, and consider using a magnetic tray to keep screws organized throughout the process. Start by unplugging the vacuum to ensure safety. Next, remove the dust canister and filter. This not only gives you access to the motor but also allows for a thorough cleaning of the internal components. While cleaning, take a moment to inspect the cyclone assembly for any blockages that may affect performance later. Now, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the top cover of the vacuum. There are usually 4 screws, keep them in your magnetic tray. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off to expose the motor housing. Next, identify the screws holding the motor in place. These may require your Torx T15 screwdriver. Carefully remove these screws, ensuring not to drop them into the vacuum's internal components. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any additional screws that may have been overlooked. With the screws removed, gently pull the motor out of its housing. Be cautious of any wiring connections attached to the motor, you don't want to damage them. If you find it challenging to disconnect the wires, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our technicians can assist you with this process. Once the motor is free, take your new motor and prepare to install it. Before inserting the new motor, it's a good idea to clean the motor housing with a dry cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Insert the new motor into the housing, making sure it aligns properly with the wiring and screw holes. Reattach the screws using the Torx T15 screwdriver, ensuring they are snug but not over-tightened to avoid stripping. After securing the motor, replace the top cover by aligning it with the housing. Reinsert the 4 Phillips screws, tightening them securely. If you find you need assistance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making repairs hassle-free. Next, reattach the dust canister and filter. Ensure they click into place securely. To confirm everything is functioning correctly, plug in the vacuum and perform a quick test run. Check for any unusual noises or performance issues. If you notice any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Our services include quotes before repair, allowing you to know the costs upfront without any hidden fees. Additionally, if you want to avoid the hassle of disassembly, remember that we can help with no calls, no travel. Finally, conduct a thorough cleaning of your tools and workspace. Check to ensure all screws are in place, and your vacuum is back to its optimal performance. Congratulations on successfully replacing the motor in your Dyson SV12. You've not only saved money but also gained valuable repair skills. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.